Set all HTTP servers and HTTPS service to on. Choose save the VHP servers. Is empty. Check out. Questions to be answered within the video. What are HTTP, DNS, and DHCP? The DHP or Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol helps us to assign an IP address and related IP information to the computer in the network, while the DNS, Domain Name System, used to convert a website name to its IP address and vice versa. It is to ensure that our computer can find the right site through its IP address rather than its domain name. HTTP or Hypertext Transfer Protocol is an application layer for transmitting hypermedia documents. It was designed for communication between web browsers and web servers. It also gives us it also gives a user a way to interact with web resources such as HTML, files by transmitting hypertext messages between clients and servers. What is the difference between the web designs using HTML compared to Cisco Packet Tracer? Okay. The difference between the two is that HTML defines the content of every web page on the internet. HTML editors are used to create web pages, while the Cisco Packet Tracer is a platform to design and configure a network without the actual devices. What can you conclude from this activity? In this activity, I have encountered that DHCP and DNS server are two essential services in the network. They both have their important roles to complete the task of a certain network. The DHCP server sends out information that clients need to communicate with other machines. And then the DNS server clients and services can be found by their names. As you can see, DNS and DHCP are entirely two different things. Each of them, each one of them has a purpose. However, what's important to note that both of them are very helpful to us. The internet is quite complicated place. Through technology such as DHCP and DNS makes everything easier for us. DNS eliminates the needs to remember complicated IP addresses for internet users, while DHCP reduces the time-consuming processes of having to configure the systems manually in the network, making everything fast and automatic.